Santa Monica High School Latin.
What is it?
The Latin program at Santa Monica High School.
What do they want from me?
I want you to sign up for Santa Monica High School Latin.
Excuse me, but isn't Latin a dead language?
Yes, but that is also its strength. Because Latin is a dead language, it doesn't change the way modern languages do. Since Latin has pretty much stayed the same since the 4th century, most great academic minds such as Galileo, Copernicus, Marco Polo, Leonardo da Vinci, and even Isaac Newton wrote in Latin.
Aren't we past the Middle Ages? How can Latin affect us today?
Actually, more than half of our English vocabulary is made from Latin words. Latin provides the root words for sciences and medicine. Additionally, Latin is the main language of law, government, philosophy, and theology.
All this is great, but how can Latin help me in my future career?
Many scientists learn Latin because all modern sciences originated during the Renaissance era. Scientific terms coined during the era are still used today. Latin is still the official language of the Catholic Church, so most theologians speak it. Additionally, many lawyers and politicians are expected to know Latin. Latin class is the place to be for future doctors and medical professionals because Latin is the basis for technical terminology in those fields.
Can Latin help me get into college?
I'm glad you asked. Remember how I said that half of all English words are derived from Latin? Knowledge of Latin can greatly raise your score in the English section of both the SAT and ACT. Additionally, colleges value Latin courses. Plus, since most California students don't have the chance to take Latin, you will stand out when you apply for college.
My favorite part about Latin class, other than the language, is learning about the history of ancient Rome and also Greek mythology.
My favorite part of Latin is that it brings in so many different parts of school, like mythology and English, and it all comes into this one topic.
And I like how Mr. Henderson is able to use cool methods to teach these things.
Latin, it's the basis of a lot of languages, so I'm hoping to study abroad in a lot of places when I go to college, and this is a good basis for learning a lot of languages.
So, to recap, want to learn a historically significant language? Take Latin. Want to be better at academic subjects such as English, philosophy, science, and government? Take Latin. Trying to be the Pope? Take Latin. Think the Colosseum looks cool? Take Latin. Want to score better on the SAT or ACT and get into the college of your dreams? Take Latin. Plan to make lots of money as a lawyer, doctor, politician, or scientist? Take Latin.